TV, back with another one. Today, just giving y'all a quick overview. I got this little mini chopper that I've had in the backyard for some while. These was real popular in the earlier 2000s. I got this bike from my uncle, and he couldn't really get it started. Didn't know what to do with it. He was older, so he gave it to me. So right now, just waiting on some parts, a new motor. I got a new motor in, or I ordered a new motor. So what I did was I took off the little fake gas tank, the fake engine over there hanging up, and the little weed whacker motor that comes in these things. That motor is bad, no pull string on it, anything like that. I'm gonna rebuild that. So yeah, I just took off a couple trim pieces, painted those black, make it stand out a little more once it's all up and running. And then I got the little fake plastic little motor right here. It was gray, but I just went on and sprayed it black. I said try to do some small upgrades to this thing, but this is part one of the mini chopper. Part one of the mini chopper. Part two, I'll be putting the motor back on and getting all this stuff together. So I got a couple pieces and parts coming for it. Like I said, a new motor. I have a battery charger coming just to test this battery, see if it works. What else I got? Oh, new key ignition switch, so all the power, the lights, and all that stuff will come on. Not too much work to do, but as you can see, this light is broke. That light is broke. Headlight is still good. Overall, the bike is still in good condition. I just got bored over these last couple of days and decided to dig it out and get it going. Another light that's broke. Another light that's broke. That one's not too bad, but it's broke. But yeah, this is part one for the mini chopper. Dub TV. Stay tuned. Subscribe, like for the rebuild. And let me know what y'all think.